Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last few weeks, I have taught you about how to read Korean alphabets and how each alphabet sounds. Here you can see that each alphabet sounds very unique and very similar. Some of them, we don't have it in English alphabet, but it's very easy. So I wrote a script in English so you can see that each alphabet sound. In the next lesson, we will learn about Korean vowels. So just stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to teach you the Korean vowels and consonants, how to make sound and how to make word in Korean language. တနည်းအားဖြင့်ပကမလိုကီဝဲတာတာသောမှုပွားနော်တာသောမှုပွားနေအဝဲဒီတော်လလီမဲဖလနော်လီမဲဖလနေပကပပါဖွေလာတာသောမှုပွားဒီတော်လကကီရလီဖလကောနေ So in Korean language the alphabet by itself doesn't make any word, but when you add the consonant or vowel, they make sounds. Like in English we have a, e, I, o, u as vowels, but in Korean we have 9 vowels, but they are similar to in English. In order to make a word in Korean, we need these consonants and vowels. The first vowel is a, the second one is e, the third is u, e, o, o. That's the vowel. Okay. In order to change tones in Korean language, these are the different words that will tell you whether your tone, your pitch needs to be high or low or medium tone. We have adi, adi, plasi, hadi, gepo. So for the adi and hadi, when you make a sound, you have to go high. But when you go with adi plus gepo, you go medium tone or low pitch. Okay, when you have adi and hadi, you go with high pitch. But when you have adi plus gepo, you go with medium tone or low. Okay, so these are the different consonants to make the tone. As you can see in English, we only have 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, but in Korean, as I explained in the other video, we have many vowels, but they sound similar to some of the English vowels too. The first one is a, second one is e, and the third is u, e, and then o, and then o. That's all. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a word in Korean language. So here you can see that this is the to your left is the vowel and to your right is how you combine the alphabets with the vowel. So the dash is where you put the alphabets. So this one is the alphabet come before the vowel, and then for the second one, like this one, is the alphabet is underneath the vowel. So as you can see, the dashes are where you put the alphabets in Korean in order to make word. So this one is a, and then when you put the alphabet like ga, glo, to next to it, it becomes ga, a, ga. And then for the next one, this is e, and then when you add the alphabet underneath this, it becomes gi. The same for the rest of the vowels. So this is and then when you put the alphabet next to it, it becomes g. Some of them doesn't make any sense unless you add the tone next to it. So, and then for this one is u, and then you add the alphabet on top because the dash is on the top. So it becomes gu. The same for this. This is u, And then when you add gado, it becomes gu. And then the rest, this is a, and then when you add gado, it becomes gay. And then this is a, when you add gado, it becomes gay. And this is o, and then the alphabet is underneath as well, so you add the alphabet underneath, it becomes go. And then this is o, when you add the alphabet, it becomes go. So this is how you combine the alphabets with the vowels to make word, but sometimes without the consonants or the tone, it doesn't make sense. So in the next few minutes, I will explain to you how you can make sound and how you change your tone based on the consonants and the toner. And here we have the tone. In order to change the tone in Korean language, you need the script next to the word or the alphabet. So the first one is earthy. Earthy, when you add the alphabet next to earthy, it becomes ga, earthy, ga. Ga, you have to go a little bit high with the pitch. Ga means broke in English. And then the next one is adi. Adi, and then when you add the alphabet, it becomes ga, adi, ga. Ga, you have to go down. The tone is down. Ga. And then the next one is plus C. Plus C, when you add the alphabet next to it, it becomes ga. Ga plus C, ga. Ga. So the sound of the alphabet doesn't change, but it changes when you add the alphabet or the consonant, the tone. So the pitch changes whether it's a medium tone, high or low, based on this here. The adi plus the tone changes when you add this at the end. So and then the last one is ka, hadi, ka. This is hadi, and then when you add the alphabet, mi, ka. So you have to go the highest, kat. Ka mean like when you do barbecue, we say kanya. Sometimes each word doesn't make any sense, so it needs like a few more alphabets, a few more words in order to make sense. So this is how you add letters. This is how you add the consonants and then the vowels and then the tone in order to switch to medium or higher or lower tone. So the hadi is the highest, ga, hadi, ka, and then plus it is ga plus it, ka, and then go down, ga, hadi, ka is medium. Ga, hadi, ka means broke, but it's like a little bit high. And then kipo, ga, kipo, ga is also medium tone. So as you can see, some of them are high. This is the high pitch, this is the low pitch, and this is the medium. This is the medium sound. So in order to change your word up or down, you need to add this script next to the word or the letter.